Hi, I'm Christina Gumbiner. I'm with Food Bank of the Rockies, Western Slope. So I'm located here in Grand Junction. Our main office is in Denver, and I am the programs manager here in Grand Junction. What made us reach out to Pollack Peacebuilding was input from our partners, our hunger relief partners in particular, who were experiencing challenges with increased levels of intensity at their pantries, at their mobile pantries, at their distributions. So what we were looking for was something that could help them and give them tactical skills, steps, processes that they could remember and take with them to deal with elevated situations and challenges that they were experiencing on a day-to-day basis. The training that we received was incredibly valuable. The Pollack team was willing to customize our program, to learn our vocabulary, to delve into our real life scenarios and use them specifically to train not only our staff, but our partners. So when we presented this information, it was in their language, in stories that they could relate to and take away real life situations. Our participants walked away with a number of impactful tools for their tool belt. The content that was provided was very easily understood. It was put out in acronyms so that they were easy to remember. It was broad enough so that everyone could understand it, and yet narrow enough to where you could envision yourself and your scenarios being able to utilize each step along the way. I believe the program exceeded our expectations. I think every step of the way, from our consultation with Jason and Nicole, it was personable, it was informative, thorough, everything was prompt. All of our promised tasks were delivered and delivered on time. Any kind of back and forth was tended and well received and just smart. We would very much recommend PPS to other organizations looking to help their partners or their staff or anyone really in a situation that needs practical tools, easy to remember, and really just a philosophy and a way to de-escalate situations in everyday life or in the workplace.